I am resetting the TOTOLINK AC1200 AC1200 dual-band wireless router. Let's see how to configure the TOTOLINK router after resetting. This is an ONU. Now connect an Ethernet cable from the ONU to the router. After connecting the Ethernet cable, go to your phone. If your phone is connected to any other Wi-Fi, disconnect it. Now connect the TOTOLINK router device. After connecting, go to your internet browser. Search for TOTOLINK.net. Enter admin as the login password. Tap on Quick Setup. Tap Next. If you have an ISP connection, select PPPoE and type in the connection. Now you need to enter the username and password provided by your internet service provider. Tap Next. Now you can change the name of the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi and create a new password if you want. Tap Next. Tap Next. If you want to set your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi password as the login password, enable it. If you want to set a different password for login, create a new password here. Tap Next. Tap Done. Now wait for the router to set up. The router setup is now complete, so the Wi-Fi connection on the phone has been disconnected. Now reconnect to your Wi-Fi and enter the new Wi-Fi password you created. This is how you can configure the TOTOLINK AC1200 AC1200 dual-band wireless router after resetting. Now you can browse the internet with your new Wi-Fi.